How's it going, YouTube? It's Taylor from Leadoff Cards. Today, I'm going to be opening up a Fairfield box brought from Walgreens. Looking in at it before opening it. Saw this one, it was the last one left, but I'm pretty sure that pack in there is a 89 Upper Deck pack, which would be awesome if that's the pack that's in there. To pull a Ken Griffey Jr. rookie out of here. So just kind of how these Fairfield boxes work. It's 100 repack cards. One pack, 1 in 4 of these boxes contain a hit. They are about $4.99 at your drugstore, Walgreens, CVS. Not sure if CVS has a different brand. I know Walgreens for sure. Usually in Walgreens, that's where we get all our prescriptions at and everything. So supposed to have cards from different decades and everything in here. So you can pull from the 70s and everything. Got some pretty decent stuff of what's come out of this in the past. Not too long ago, I popped one, didn't record it, but pulled a Mo Vaughn rookie card. It was in decent shape. Pretty cool to pull that out of there. I liked Mo Vaughn as a kid, growing up north and New Hampshire for a little bit. He was a solid hitter for Boston for a while. So go ahead and separate this, see what our pack is. And 1990 Upper Deck, so no Ken Griffey Jr. on that, but not a terrible pack. Upper Deck was, from what I understand, in the 90s was the top, one of the top premium cards, I guess you could say, coming out of that. So that's pretty cool there. So we'll go ahead and start with the first couple cards. Matt Cain, Braves team card. NL RBI leaders. Walter Wise, Gold Cup. Walter Wise, Gold Cup. A lot of this you get doubles of the same cards. Lou Whitaker. David Hass. Martin Maldonado. Got a solid thing of 90 Donruss. Steve Jetty. Cal Abbott. Pat Tabler. Todd Pagano. Dave LaPointe. Mike Kingery, Jerome Barrow, Tom Flyer, David Wells, Julie Uera, Yankees, no idea who that one is. Burt Hooton, Dodgers, 84 tops. These cards are all different ways in here. Luis Rivera, Terry Leach, Guy Hoffman, Vlad Guerrera, nice looking card. Mike Lloyd, Bob Kipper, even Ivan Rodriguez, Damon Barrow here, Tommy Gregg, and another Tommy Gregg. If I miss anybody that's a rookie card on some of these older junk wax, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to fix it. Try to catch what I can. Gerald Alexander, Mark Wallers, Jose Offerman, Kevin Hickey, Alex Sanchez, Bill Ladrum, Charlie Hayes, Sean Raleigh, Yankees leaders, Bob Shirley, Steve Wilson, Bobby Meacham, Jorge Sosa, Tim Hudson. A lot of Braves players in this so far. Mike Brumley, looks like a rookie card from the way the back looked. Yep. Tim Hudson again. Andrew Jones. And Richard Dawson. That's kind of crazy, the amount of Braves that we've pulled out of this, and it was on the front. There Florida side. It's pretty cool. Alex Gonzalez, Jacoby Jones, Hunter Dozier. Those are pretty interesting right there. Bowman from there. Andre Either. A lot of Bowman cards in this pack, which is nice. Daniel Robertson. Tyler Danish. Jake Petrika. Ian Gomes. Tyler Clippard. Thrace Thompson, All-Star Game, brother of Klay Thompson. That's pretty cool. Yon Moncada, Future Stars, Robbie Ray, Parker Birdwell, Felipe Rivero, Kenny Williams, Tommy Green, another Brave. Rookie prospect, Keith Miller. Pedro Guerrero. Lonnie Smith. And Jeff Reardon on 91 Fleer. All right. This is a 87 tops traded checklist. Steve Curry, John Marzano, Bob Stanley, Rich Gedman, Bob Walk, Jeff Sellers, Rich Gedman, 82 tops. These cards go all different ways, which is frustrating. John Mayberry, Diamond Kings. Denny Neagle. 82 Donruss. Lee Mazzelli. Tommy Armis, 84 tops. Ernie Witt. Felix Jose. And Dave Martinez. Trying to think, is that 88? Not a rookie card. Dodgers sticker. Leon Durham, Bill Medlock, Diamond Kings. Lee Mazook. Robin Ventura, #1 draft pick. It's actually a pretty interesting card right there. Bill Long. Bob Horn. Mike Greenwell. Jeff Russell. Dave Stewart. Roberto Kelly. A opening day code from 2010 opening day. Don't think that works anymore. John Franco. The 90s were a great time, only with that shot happened in the 90s. And
I just got an alert about there being gates closed.
And this one is pretty cool. Rafael Palmeiro, Topps Laser. I've never seen a card like that. That's pretty cool. Steve Bushel, Dave Segui, and John Kirk. So go through with that. Pop open this pack real quick. Throw this Palmero card up there. That's pretty interesting. These were foil on Upper Deck this year, so they were hard to search through, almost impossible compared to the junk wax. So go through Steve Allen, John Smoltz, Tino Martinez, Billy Ripken, Devin White, Mike Smithen, Atlee Hammaker, Tom Glavine, Terry Steinbach, Jim Deesa, Ricky Jordan, Darian Jackson, Kevin Roman, Mike McFarland, and Mike Pagura, and then the little holographic sticker that they threw in there. So overall, not a bad break. Always cool to break cards. Some pretty cool Bowman cards in there. This Rafael Palmeiro laser cut, and all that. So can't complain with that. Thanks for watching. If you haven't liked the subscribe to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, let me know what you think.